Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Laurie.
And if you're new to our channel, welcome. So, Laurie, what are we doing tonight?
Bill really likes Soppressata, but it's really hard to find Soppressata as a convenience food that's already sliced and packaged and ready to use. I only find it as a mix as part of another charcuterie platter, and I only find Soppressata as a sausage shaped, and I have to slice it to use it. So I just decided we're going to do a taste test and see if Bill really likes. He could be satisfied with just pepperoni.
And I can tell you, Bill is never satisfied. I really thought you would say that, Laurie.
So we're just going to do a taste test. We're comparing boar's head Soppressata to boar's head pepperoni.
I'll take that.
And this is a bigelow.
And we hope everyone's doing okay. We were down in Salinas and Monterey area last weekend. Now that Laurie and I are fully vaccinated, we spent time with 3 other couples that were vaccinated. Little incremental steps getting back to some level of normal.
So the Soppressata is a little bit thicker than because I had to hand slice it. Okay.
Okay, so we're done with this here.
Yep. Look. Now they had 2 kinds. They had picante, Soppressata, which is a little bit spicier, and I didn't get that one.
And again, our Ooni Koda 16 outdoor pizza oven was on high for about 25 minutes. I just turned it down to low. I did turn it down to low. I should have done it when Laurie started to press out the pie, but we're going to go with this.
And this is whole milk mozzarella. I don't know if I already mentioned that. That I did great.
I'm coming in this side.
Okay. Oop. I decided I could make it bigger right on the peel by stretching it out. How's that?
Okay, looks good. Let's see. It's moving. All right. After we had a disastrous launch, what was it, a couple of pizzas ago when we were doing
the gluten-free.
The gluten-free dough. It's good to have a.
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Teamwork.
And for turning and retrieving, we're using our Ooni 14-inch metal peel.
And we're having a Kirkland Rioja 2016. Huh? Smells good.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of the best way to do that.
You could always use your fingers.
I could use my fingers, but all right, so far so good.
Yeah. Looks like nice leoparding. It's not burning in any way.
So we're thinking about me pressing out the pies and building the pies and Laurie doing the launching and retrieving just to mix some things up here, but
I think that would be an excellent idea.
yeah.
Don't you think?
Now you had this bigelow frozen for how long?
Well, I made it before we went to Monterey. We were thinking we would make pizza down there, but everybody was arriving late, so we just made pasta.
So that's where we're at right now, and I think I'm going to go a little longer because Laurie likes it a little crispier.
Oh, Bill almost had a disaster.
Too much talking.
Oh, almost though.
Yeah, I think it's really.
Needs a little bit more time. The soppressata was cut a little bit thicker because I had to hand do it.
Okay, and just a little bit of char we like. I think this is about going to be it, Laurie.
Yeah, I think so. Excellent job. We should show the bottom too. See how that.
Yeah, they almost saw the bottom when I. Okay. What do you think?
That looks great.
So this is what we're working with here. Okay, so we'll be right back. We're going to let it cool for a couple minutes. So this is probably where we might cut something out to keep the video kind of short.
Oh.
Okay, so it's cooled for about 2-3 minutes, and we took a couple pictures of the bottom. We'll put one in, since it looks so good, we'll put one in this video. And then Laurie and I have been talking about the right size to cut slices. So what we've decided...
Bill likes to fold his, so...
Yeah, I like more like a big pizza, but I'll cut you a small one.
Okay, that sounds good.
So...
go ahead.
Go ahead.
And see which... Okay.
So let's see if I can show the bottom. I don't know if you can see that bottom.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think?
I definitely like the larger slices because this reminds me more of the New York pizza, the way you would...
It reminds him of home.
Very good.
So what do you think?
Well, I think I have soppressata here. I haven't tasted pepperoni. I really do like soppressata. I mean, pepperoni I've eaten for years, but now that, you know, just recently, the soppressata, I just really prefer it. And I'm sorry it's such an amount of labor for you to make it happen, but
It's not that bad, but...
What's your thoughts? Oh,
okay. Here's a pepperoni bite. So, can you tell the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can. Okay.
You can tell the difference, but the pepperoni is good as well. So, okay. Well, we just wanted to do a quick little pizza. Turned out really good, very tasty. Pepperoni's always good, but soppressata is becoming quickly my favorite. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. And what do you always say?
Like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to improve my knife skills so I can make thinner slices of soppressata.
Oh, there you go.
Just for Bill.
Thank you. All right. Well, thanks again for dropping into the channel. And we always like to thank our subscribers for sticking with us. And if you're new, if you just drop into
Our channel?
a video from time to time and not subscribe, we appreciate that as well. So, okay, I think that's about it. So what do we say?
See you next time.
See you next time. Very good.
Mm-hmm.